In this video, we will show you how to integrate PagerDuty with Amazon EventBridge. In PagerDuty, go to the Configuration menu, select Extensions from the drop-down menu, add a new extension. Search for Amazon EventBridge and select it. Click the Open Amazon EventBridge page button to complete adding the integration. On the Amazon EventBridge extension configuration in PagerDuty, enter a name in the Name form field that you would like to appear in Amazon EventBridge, such as PagerDuty-webhooks, for example. Enter the AWS account ID. Select an AWS region. I'm selecting US West, Oregon, which is where my Lambda is. Select a PagerDuty service to associate the extension with. The event source name will automatically populate. You can leave it as is, add to it, or edit it. Click Create to save the configuration. Next, continue configuring the integration within AWS. Log into the AWS console with your AWS credentials. In the AWS Management Console, search for Amazon EventBridge in the Find Services field, or in this case, I'll click on the Amazon EventBridge button since I recently visited the service. Under the Event selection, select Partner Event Sources in the left navigation panel. Select the link displaying the name of the partner event source that was just created in PagerDuty during the initial part of the configuration. Next, click on the Associate with Event Bus button. You can leave these settings as default. Click on the button to associate PagerDuty with an event bus. Next, while the possibilities are limitless, as an example, let's just create a rule to trigger the addition of a response note to contain a link to runbook documentation for latency issues on the checkout database service. Under Events in the left navigation panel, select Rules. Select the new event bus that was just made available. Click Create Rule. Enter a name for the rule. To define the pattern for the rule, select Event Pattern to look for an event pattern. Select To Match on a predefined pattern by service. Select Service Partners in the Service Provider drop-down menu. Select PagerDuty as the service name in the drop-down menu. Whenever there is a webhook that fires, we can call our Return Service Runbook function. Click Create to finish saving the rule to complete the configuration part of the PagerDuty Amazon EventBridge integration. Next, return to PagerDuty to test the integration workflow. Go back into the service that you added the integration to. Create a new incident. Enter a title. Click Create Incident. You'll then see that the Lambda was targeted in Amazon EventBridge, returned, and populated a response note in PagerDuty containing a link to runbook documentation. That completes a simple test of the PagerDuty Amazon EventBridge integration. This concludes how to install, configure, and test the PagerDuty Amazon EventBridge integration. For more information, please visit the integration page. You can also visit the integration guide available in our knowledge base to learn more.